Hey, it's Vic Walter here with Osee. We are a live streaming and video monitor switcher. We're actually out here at InfoComm 2026. We're showing off our new Osee Omni 12 GoStream device. It is a live streaming production switcher. This will be coming out in the end of July, but it's a lot of bells and whistles, but it follows the same line of our other switchers where it has a lot of features. There are three platforms you can go out on at one time. There's a lot of other cool things. It handles NDI technology coming in too. You can see our camera up here is actually bringing in NDI video into the switch. You can have up to 4 NDI licenses, NDI HX specifically, but it comes with the unit, no registration for that. This unit specifically has 8 HDMI or 8 SDI interchangeable inputs on it, as well as webcam, USB. There's built-in video players with slow motion video. There's a built-in graphics generator. If anyone's already familiar with the Osee line of switchers, a lot of these features are a little bit new to this one specifically. We have individual routing where you can actually individually route program feed inputs, your clean feed. You can actually also route your multi-view and your super source all directly to a monitor, as well as to what's going out on your stream for your USB. So if you want to see more, feel free to check us out at osee.tech.com, and you can find us there or find us on Facebook.